Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
A man was walking in the market. Apparently his financial situation was not looking good and there was no single source of livelihood.
The time has come. Nobody cares. There is no boom in business either. How long will such a situation last? It is better to go to the messenger of God and seek his help. Peace be upon you, O Messenger of Allah. Messenger of Allah, if livelihood had not been this difficult, the time would not have been tough for me, then I would never have come to you in this situation. I haven't eaten for 2 days. The doors of blessing are closed on me. I want your help.
The Prophet said,
"Go to the market."
He went there and was walking in the market for some time. Then came to the Prophet and began to beg.
O Messenger of Allah, I went to the bazaar on your order yesterday. But to no avail. I slept hungry at night too.
He said,
"Go to the market."
He went to the market again. A caravan reached the market with some products. The man bought the products and sold it for 1 dinar of interest. The next day he returned to the Prophet's service and said that he went to the market yesterday but did not find anything.
"Yesterday, you sold the products for 1 dinar profit.
Yes, it is true.
Then why did you lie?"
You were truthful, to recognize your position and to make sure that you are aware of what people are doing.
The Prophet said,
"Those who keep themselves free from others and do not ask people for anything, Allah makes them independent, and whoever asks people, God opens 70 doors of poverty on him, which no one can close."